Hello everyone, this is Trader Tim, and I'm going to do a recap on my trade on IMMX. IMMX gapped up on volume based on news from yesterday. It was its second day of the trend, and kind of woke up late, so I did not get a lot of background on the stocks. I saw that it fit the basic subscription. We went to pop and hold. We sold off. We found resistance or support. We found support down here, and we popped and we held again. And it did behave exactly like I like for these stocks to behave. So what happened was we actually sold off right away. And then it popped back up, and I was like, oh no, did I miss the move? No, I did not miss the move. So we'll set that. That is the high of day. Make it green. Alright, so that's high of day. We sold off, popped back up, sold back down. So it was kind of a crazy stock, and I was wondering if I even should get into it, but we found real good support at the 720 level R1. I got in a little bit before that. I probably should have gotten in down here, but I got in at 728. We popped up, hit the 20, and kind of sold off, and then really sold back down to around where my average price was. My stop was down here though, below 715, which was low of day, and I was waiting for it to go up and make a threat on high of day. It just had a lot of trouble in this area, so I wound up getting out towards the top. I didn't break through the 60. I think I got out at 758 or so. It just had a lot of trouble breaking through that level. So I got 40 cents, the $7 stock, and I think that's pretty good. I wanted to make sure that I got out because, as you can see, this is what happens. You get these massive engulfing candles that swallow your entire move. Now, I did go back up. I could have re-entered the trade, but there's no guarantee that it's going to go all the way back up and further as it did. Usually what happens is it goes up and it comes down and it does this. That being said, IMMX has a legitimate catalyst, so it's probably going to maintain some momentum. If you look over here, the volume analysis says the average price is 750, which is crazy. That's up here. So we're going to try to get back to that average price, I would assume. Not average price, but you know what I mean? That's where the most volume was traded. It was at 750. And look, it's a lot of purchase. So we're going to try to get back to that level, I would think. So it might still be in play. But anyways, I'm done. I have to go to work. So that has been IMMX. There's not a ton of nuance to these trades. There's not a ton of level 2 work to be done. I have it up. I don't really like the level 2 on this Webull. Webull's kind of a shitty platform, but I use it. There's not a lot of level 2. There's not a lot of time and sales involved. There's just you seeing where the price floor is and then the buy up. I suppose you can use level 2 on the way down to try and predict where the wall will be, because there's definitely a wall versus run effect, which I'm not smart enough to teach people. So but yeah, this has been my trade. IMMX. I have to go to work, so y'all have a great